Spiritual and cultural history of Azerbaijan. The material and spiritual culture of Azerbaijan had greatly exerted influence upon the worldwide historical development process in the Middle Ages, especially during the reign of Safavid state. The improvement of culture and art in the Middle Age divided into some following parts, such as profession of art, the culture of book printing, carpet making, weaving, ceramics, and metalworking. Among these parts, Azerbaijan had gained its special place, particularly in organizing of library work in the field of bibliography. After Safavids came to the reign, the economical, political, and cultural life of Azerbaijan began developing and animating more sharply. The territory of centralized Azerbaijan state surrounded the vast area from the Ferat River till the Amudarya, including Arabian Iraq, Diyarbakir, and also some of the provinces of Middle Asia such as Herat, Marv, Balkh, and Khorasan during the reign of Shah Ismail, who was one of the greatest political and literary personalities and founder of mighty Azerbaijan Safavid state. The political activity of Shah Ismail also connected closely with his work in the field of development of science, culture, and social consciousness. Especially his respect and attention to his native language and announcing the Azerbaijan Turkish the official state language in that period was one of his good turns to his native country. Simultaneously, in his very important political activity, Khatay paid great attention and care to the development of literature, culture, and craftsmanship. As we know, some of the great and well-known scientists, cultural workers, and craftsmen had left Azerbaijan for some reasons 13th–14th century. However, at the beginning of primary decades of 15th century, the direction of this stream deeply changed after Khatay's victories in Herat, Khorasan, Marvaneir, and Turkestan. Scientists, cultural workers, artisans who still lived and their children began turning back to their native lands. With great effort of Shah Ismail, some of the well-known and famous artists from Baghdad, Herat, and Shiraz were invited to Tabriz. During this period, the Palace Library of Tabriz had turned into the miniature center. Shah Ismail himself also showed great interest for miniature art. In 1510, the famous artist Kemalettin Beyzad was invited from Herat to Tabriz. Mir Muzaffer, Mani Shirazi, Haydar Ali, who was the nephew of Kemalettin Beyzad, and like these many other famous artists worked in the library of Tabriz within this period. In 1522, Ismail issued an order about Kemalettin Beyzad to be assigned the chief calender to the library of palace. According to the order, all the management works of the library and control the members, secretaries, artists, muzahibs, zarkubs, and draftsmen's work was given to the authority of Kemalettin Beyzad. It must be noted that the Palace Library of Tabriz had been famous before Safavids coming to the reign. It had turned into the fine art center during Khan Hasan, who was the emperor of Argoyunlu state. Many artists, decorators, calligraphers, bookbinders, muzahibs, lacivert washers, and publishers had worked there at that time. Coming to the reign after his father, the first Shah Tahmasib also paid great attention to scientists, cultural workers, and artists. During the reign of the first Tahmasib Shah, Mir Muzaffer, Mir Seyyid Ali, Jalaleddin Aga Mirag, Mirza Ali, Mevlana Muhammad, Kemalettin Hüseyin, Kemalettin Abdülgaffar, Hasan Ali, Mevlana Nazari Jumi, and many other artists and decorators created also art samples except Kemalettin Beyzad and Sultan Muhammad. We're very proud of that. The Islam civilization had presented great unexampled artworks to the treasure of their world culture and mankind. Today, Islam architectural monuments decorate all the cities where Azerbaijan literature, art, and applied art samples have spread. The rulers, architects, artists, and craftsmen of Azerbaijan had great labor in creation in the most part of these architectural samples. Unfortunately, the unexampled historical works created by Azerbaijan craftsmen have fallen from hand to hand and spread to foreign countries during many centuries. It's very difficult to find them out and gather. But even so, we do our best to inform the future generation about it, and we are very grateful to the people who help us in this well-wishing work to realize it. The chief of the fund, Shah Ismail Khatai, Tefakkül Safavi.